remembering so that it will never happen again. But when I remind my people of what we have suffered at the hands of white people and still suffer, that's a hate monger. He's living with hatred. How is it remembering for you but hatred for me? No, it's the same thing. I want my brothers and sisters to remember. In fact, to remember means that it once was in your mind and you forgot. No, it never was in your mind because you don't even know what happened to you.
Family, listen. 2026 isn't just another year on the calendar. It's a new chapter, a new dawn. The question is, will we rise with it or get left behind?
Secretive? We're not secretive. We have.
How many members do you have?
You're not going to know how many members we have.
What's your budget?
What's our budget? Well, how much money you got in your pocket? That's not secretive. That's your business. Okay. And what I'm saying to you is that there is the need for us to preserve the right to have our business. And as a member of the Nation of Islam, I feel it insulting. You don't ask other members of other organizations.
Sure I do. If I went to a Methodist, Baptist, or any other church,
whatever
Catholic
the case may
church,
be, the Nation of Islam has a right. Our increase of membership is happening so fast. If I gave you a figure, it will be different a half hour from now because black people are waking up overnight and coming by the great tens of thousands to the message of the Honorable Louis Farrakhan. I will say this though, that the effort of the nation to increase and to grow is the kind of effort that any group that is making a positive impact should and must make. And we don't by any means claim a corner on the market of good works. There are other people of various different affiliations and denominations and political affiliations that are making a positive effect on the community. And we encourage that. We applaud.
Ownership. Ownership is everything. Too long, we've been renters, the borrowers, the spenders. The future belongs to those who own the keys and can open their own doors. Individually, we're powerful, but together, we are unstoppable. A shared delivery van, a cooperative business, a joint investment. That's what multiplied our strength. That's what will multiply it in 2026. Let me be real with you. Wealth ain't in flexing. It's in discipline, quiet moves, stacked paper, investments that speak louder than chains or cars ever could. Every strong nation stands on land. And if we don't control our food, our soil, our water, then somebody else owns our survival. 2026 has to be about building from the ground up. Our youth are already geniuses, coding, building, innovating, but too often their brilliance is sold to the highest bidder. In 2026, we must own the labs, the patents, the technology. You see, wealth starts here, at the kitchen table, teaching our kids how money works, before the world teaches them how to spend it. Passing down lessons like we pass down our last name. When we move in one direction, with focus, with discipline, we become a force no system can block. Unity is not optional. It is survival. If we don't produce, we stay trapped. Think about it. We buy, we consume, we flex. But who owns the factories? Who runs the production lines? In 2026, it's time for us to produce what we consume.
And we've got garden, we've got sons and daughters, we got green.
Our markets are more than money. They are cultural. They are culture in motion. They are the heartbeat of self-reliance. Every purchase at a black-owned stand, a vote for our future. "2026 isn't waiting on us. It's already here. Look around. The future is being built right now. The only question is, are we investors or are we just spectators?" This is bigger than us. It's for the next generation. Black Economics 2026 isn't just about money. It's about motion, struggle, and rise. Family, let's move toward this together.
Heaven's day was made for you, the original man, to clean up, to get up from the dust of the white man's world. Shake the dust off, man. Shake the shackles off and become like unto God. This is the day. Listen. This is the day that was made to get you up. But the white man is not made for this day. This is the day that he rests. He is to die. In this 1,000-year period, he is to die. And the only way he can escape it is if he's born again. And I don't mean going back into the womb of black people, but his mind has to be destroyed and a new mind be put in him. And otherwise, all of them are sentenced to death. Every white man on the earth. No. Listen. That could be your mother. They're all under the death sentence. And you are under that sentence too. Because you become just like them. You just a black white man. Did you hear what I said? You ain't no black man. You a white man in black skin because your mind has been so destroyed. The mark of the beast is in your forehead. You think like the white man. And you act like the white man. He don't have to kill you today. You do the job. You're so filled with hatred for your own black self that it don't mean nothing to you to pick up a weapon to kill your own black brother. And you laugh as you smoke each other. You the white man. But you a grafted white man.
When our fathers were brought to these shores, the slave masters
knew they could not enslave a people rich in the knowledge of God. You didn't come out of Africa jungle bunnies. You don't build a nation as a jungle bunny. And there's no record that these whites taught us how to build.